baby. Win-win. You've got a job and you got money for Christmas. Come on. Can't get any better than that. Why are you waiting? Jump in. So you can't afford to make a mistake. That's the mentality you have, and I'm telling you, I used to think the same way. That mentality will keep you broke. I know you have no money in savings. I know you tried some other programs. You bought some online classes and you got involved in some multi-level marketing with your friends and you got a new job and it didn't work out. Man, been there, done that. I know exactly how you're feeling, man. You cannot afford to make a mistake. It's like, hey, Christmas is coming. It's right around the corner. I've got to save my money. I'm telling you, that mentality will keep you broke. You have got to have a different mindset. This industry is so awesome to help seniors at no cost. You can get in this industry now for $150 a month. Your first move in will pay for the course. It's unbelievable. We got students now in 22 different states. We had someone just sign up from Connecticut this morning. Unbelievable. I'm excited to help students. We've got testimony galore, but you know what? Let's get back to you. What are you doing to change your situation? What are you doing to make life easier and better for you? It's a hard decision, right? We can blame the world. We can say all kinds of things about, oh man, the world's against me. I've had some bad breaks, man. If you only knew the cards that were dealt, the cards I'm holding in my hand suck. That's okay. Admit that. But own up to it, take responsibility, and go for change. Now, to go for change in your life, your body and everything within you is going to go, no, don't do it. You're going for broke. Well, that's exactly what you're doing. You're going for broke. You're laying it all on the line. But your mind will be like, no, I'll go broke. You just got to admit that you are broke. And that's what I did 6 years ago. Financially, man, life sucked. Physically, I was doing all right. You know, going to the gym a little bit, doing a little running. Relationally, with my kids, people, friends, everything was wonderful except my finances. You've got to make a decision today. Because what your mind's going to do is going to play tricks on you. You're going to go, well, let me wait until after Christmas. Let me wait until after the first of the year. Let me wait until I get my tax return back. Oh my God. You're getting your tax return. Oh yeah, man, I'm getting $3,000. What that means, well, one thing that means is you pay too much in taxes, but that's a whole nother subject. But if you're waiting for a tax return, or you're waiting for another day, another week to go by, you're not going for broke. You have got to be willing to jump into a boat, go to an island, burn the damn boat, stay on the island, not make a living, but design a life. And that's what I've been doing for the last 6 years. I've been enjoying life because I've been designing a life. Before, most of my adulthood, most of my time where I was able to get a job, I got a job, I think I was 11, 12 years old, was a paperboy back in the day. But all through my life, man, I was just barely getting by. You know, I was just making a living. And that's no fun, I'm telling you, man. And what's hard about it is when you get close to Christmas, that's when it's really difficult, isn't it? It's because you don't have the money to go buy the present for your kid. You don't have the resources to go do what you want to do because you know the electric bill is due. If you don't pay that, it's going to be cut off. So you got to save a little bit for your electric bill, but you get shortchanged in other areas. Man, make a decision today. You got nothing in savings. You're in a perfect place to go all out. But what's nice about it, all you got to do is click the link below. Man, click on the little laptop on my website. It's $150 or so. I think some people get it cheaper. Some people are $160, somewhere around there. As long as you have a FICO score of 580, you make about $35,000 a year, you're good. You'll be awesome. You'll be able to get into this program. Now, let me give you a little hint. Now, I'm not telling you to do this, but you might get approved for more money than the course costs. And guess what? You got some money in your pocket for Christmas. Woo, baby. Win-win. You've got a job and you got money for Christmas. Come on. Can't get any better than that. Why are you waiting? Jump in. Click the link below. Let's have a conversation if you want. You see my number on the screen. Text me. Man, that's actually my number. You ever had those numbers flash on the screen and you text, but it's some bot or it's somebody else responding? It's me, man. This is what I do 24/7. And I mean 24/7. There's some days I work 16-hour days. But there's some days I work 5-hour days, man. It all depends. But I go all in because I want to expand my business. But getting back to you, click the link below. Apply for the loan. Get started today. I promise you, you will not regret it.